Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a 1967 Pontiac GTO. Now, this car has been rotisserie restored. It has less than 50 miles on it since restoration. This car is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful red paint, black vinyl top, black interior, bucket seats, factory center console with the dual gate shifter. Has a numbers matching 400 in it. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. I will take some pictures and videos of the bottom side of this car as well. This thing is spectacular. The frame is all blasted and painted. The underneath this car is absolutely gorgeous. Just check out them PMB wheels. Beautiful wheels, brand new BF Goodrich radial TA raised white letter tires. The glass in this car is really nice shape. The stainless, the bright work, the trim, just beautiful. All new emblems on the car. The bumpers are fantastic. You can look down the sides of this car. Just beautiful. No bubbles, no blisters, no scratches, no scrapes anywhere on this car. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Your body lines in this car, super nice. The black vinyl top is brand new. The interior is all new. Numbers matching 400 engine. Say it's got a 400 turbo automatic transmission. I just talked to the builder of this car just a little bit ago. It is not the numbers matching transmission. Just to clarify that, he said that it's not. It's a rebuilt transmission with a shift kit. There's the underneath the hood of this car. Gorgeous. Brand new aluminum radiator, power steering, power brakes, hood insulator. If you're looking for a beautiful 67 goat, don't look any further because this thing is probably as good as they get. The door jambs. The dash, the steering wheel, the center console. The headliner. The seats are in great shape. They're all redone. New carpeting, new back seat. I'll go over here, we'll start it up. Actually, let me get the keys and I'll show you the inside of the trunk real quick before I start it. The spare, the jack, the tools, the trunk mat, the spackle paint. There we go. Stickers, all new weather stripping and door seals, trunk seals. I don't think they come any sharper than this, guys. Kind of hard to start it without the key. I guess I do gotta. There is a second spare set of keys in here in the center console. Whoever buys the car can know that there is another set there. At least ignition keys. I don't know about a trunk key, but radio works, horn works, AC works. up on the hoist here in just a little bit. I'll take pictures of the undercarriage. It has to be done on this beautiful car. You got to see the bottom side of it. It's just as nice as the top side. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kinyonauto.com, KINION-auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, regular inventory every day. So please don't hesitate to give us a call. If you're interested in buying this beautiful GTO, or maybe one of the other collector cars we have in stock, or if you're interested in selling your classic car, give us a call. We may be interested in purchasing your car. It's only got 50, maybe 100 miles on it since the total restoration and the total engine build, so taking it easy on the engine a little for a while. It was on the dyno, it had break-in time, but 61,982 actual miles on this car. It is new for the second time. Everything on this car, it's been a nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. It drives great, it runs great, the clock works. Just a beautiful car. Give us a call again, guys, 563-452-2450, www.kinyonauto.com. And please hit the subscribe button on this YouTube video. That way you never miss another great collector car from Kenyon Classics. I hope you guys all have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you soon.